Miss Ashley here for lesson 2 of the week so far. So this is your lesson for Tuesday, okay? So today we are learning to sequence a narrative. And that narrative we're looking at is vanishing cream. So today, as promised, either yesterday or last week, I can't remember now, we are going to read Vanishing Cream. So if you haven't listened to that already, then what I need you to do is pause the video and go and find that video to listen to, okay? Because you're going to need to have listened to that in order to do the work that we're going to do in English today, all right? Okay, pause the video if you need to, go ahead and do that. Okay. Hi at 5, Miss Ashley here again, ready for lesson 2 of your writing this week. We are learning to sequence a narrative. So, yesterday you made a character profile for Peter. Brilliant stuff. Today we're going to read Vanishing Cream as promised in yesterday's lesson, okay? So another chapter from the Daydreamer. Before you read Vanishing Cream, just take a minute to think about what might happen in this daydream. Think about the name of the chapter, and then it's just for fun really. Have a think about what you think might happen. But when you're ready, before you go any further with this flip chart, with this writing, you need to pause this and go and find the Vanishing Cream video and listen to it, okay? There's also the pages. I've copied the pages from the chapter if you want to have a read through it as well, okay? So pause this now, go and have a look, and then come back. Okay. So, you now need, as you've listened to the chapter, you need to fill in a planning template, ensuring that you cover what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the chapter, all right? So remember, you can re-listen to the chapter if you need to, and you can pause it at certain points to jot down the different bits in each of the subheadings of the form that you're going to fill in, okay? So to show you what you need to do, this is an example of the form. So your form's got 3 parts. You've got the beginning, the middle, and the end. I've just made this a bit bigger so that I can give an example as to what sort of things I'd write on here, okay? I'm not going to answer all the questions because otherwise I'm going to be giving you the answers, but I'll answer a couple from the beginning and a couple from the middle, all right? And you might want to expand on my answers. I might not give enough information, so you might want to write a little bit more. Okay. Use the question prompts to help you, by the way. That's really important. We've got some questions up here to help you with answering and sequencing all of these different bits. So I'm going to start with the beginning. It describes the setting of reality. Peter finds an object that sent him into a daydream. So key questions first of all. Who is Peter? So I know from this chapter, Peter equals, I don't have to write in full sentences either. I'm sequencing, so that's absolutely fine. Peter equals, I think it said he was 10 and a half in this chapter, 10.5 years. Schoolboy. That's what I'm going to leave there. You might have some more information to add. So I've done this one. What was Peter doing in reality? So, in reality, he is, he's trying to find something to entertain himself in the kitchen drawer, isn't he? So, looking for something in kitchen drawer. Again, there'll be more details you can put there, so put them in, okay? Where was he? At home. Now I'm going to leave it there. You've got more prompts here that you can answer, okay? I'm also going to answer a couple on the middle section, all right? So this is the daydreams. This is focusing on when Peter actually goes into his daydream. So what can the object do in Peter's daydream? So I'm going to say Vanishing Cream equals vanishes skin. I'm going to say skin because it didn't vanish his gloves, did it? It didn't affect that. It was just living tissue, I think he called it. So I've done that one. How did he find out? He put his finger in the pot, and when he took it out, the tip was gone. And I'm going to stop there. Okay? So, please make sure that you add as much information as you can. Okay? That's really, really important. Because sequencing events is going to help you with writing your own narrative. Alright? So, you're going to do the beginning. You're going to do the middle. And you're going to do the ending. Okay? You've got all of those bits to do. Alright? Brilliant stuff. That is your task for today. Okay? I will see you on Wednesday for next lesson. Okay? Thanks. Bye, guys.